Mulching should be a fundamental part of a garden program, but not all mulches are created equal, and finding one that delivers a range of benefits makes it worth the effort.
There is one mulch in particular that is chosen by more iconic gardens than any other, and that is Whoflungdung. Whoflungdung is a nutrient-rich, biologically activated super mulch that protects your soil, locks in moisture, regulates temperature, and provides a diversity of beneficial bacteria that help your garden to grow and thrive right throughout the year.
Before applying, pull out any weeds and give the soil a good soak. Then spread the mulch in a uniform layer over the top of the soil. I usually aim for between 3 and 10 centimetres deep. Just remember to leave a bit of space around the base of your plants, trees and shrubs. If you have a drip irrigation system, go ahead and mulch over the top of the lines to keep that moisture in the soil.
Whoflungdung is suitable for all plant types, including natives, but it may pay to use it sparingly on your seedlings until they are more fully established. Once applied, Whoflungdung creates the ultimate protective layer for your soil, reducing, if not eliminating, nitrogen drawdown. And as a bonus, it suppresses weeds. Visit the Nutrog website for more information or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.